Hi everyone, for this video I will go over parts of the microscope. We'll start at the top. This is the ocular lens where your eyes look into. You have the arm of the microscope. This whole area is the arm. And then you have the base of the microscope down here. This is the on-off switch. This is the light switch, which arranges whether you have strong light or less strong light coming through. You have two knobs right here. The inner knob, or the bigger one, is called the coarse adjustment knob. The coarse adjustment knob. The smaller one on the outside is called the fine adjustment knob. Then you have this area right here, this little rotating thing. It's called the rotating nose piece. Rotating nose piece. Any of these three objective lenses, we call them just objective lenses, fine. But if you want to identify them as for magnification, the white here is the oil immersion lens, or the 100x lens, objective lens. The yellow one here is the 10x, okay, 10x objective lens. The blue one right here is the 40x objective lens. And last but not least, you have the smallest one, which is the 4x objective lens. This is the stage, called the stage. And then on top of that, you have the silver area where you can clip the slide into. This is called the stage clip. This is called the stage. And then you have the stage knob right here for moving the microscope outwards, inwards, left, and right. Moving the slide so you can look at all parts of the slide. Underneath the stage, you have the condenser. That's the condenser right there. This is the substage light. And then inside the condenser, you have this little lever right here. This lever is called the iris diaphragm lever, which actually closes and opens your field depending on whether you want more contrast at higher magnification. And that should be all for parts of the microscope.